Hello guys, welcome to the another Angular tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn about how to get the input box value. Okay, suppose we have the input box which is having the type text. Okay, and how to get that value on a click event. So in last tutorial we will learn about how to handle the click event. So we are using the same method here. Okay, and after that we are going to get the input box value. Okay, so what we are able to see is I can show you the running application. Yeah, so this is the text box and this is the input button. Okay, so as soon as I click on this button I should have to get this input value. Okay, so what we have right here is ngModel. So what is ngModel, guys? So ngModel is a built-in directive, okay, provided by Angular. Okay, so what is exactly do is we write here inside the username. Okay, so it will give us whatever value written inside this input box. Okay, so it will maintain this value of the input box. Okay, so as soon as okay, so we initialize this as a blank string. Okay, and as soon as we click we should get that input value. Okay, so we will see but before that, if you want to use the ngModel, okay, it's a built-in directive, so we have to import this forms module inside our dashboard module.ts. Okay, so because we have created this component inside the dashboard module, as you can see that, so we have to import this inside our dashboard module.ts. So in our dashboard users component.ts we can have this method and we can get that input value. So to run this application we can use the ngserve command, as you know. So I have already running the application. So this is how we can get the output, and as soon as I write something here, I have write a code helper inside the input box, and as soon as I click the button you can see that we can get that input box value. So thank you guys, this is how we can get the input box value in Angular. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.